dikusoka loda rai pejinon lopeti kotoma soban noda akorarere Esisianakinak metemono kiti MP ne boy kitangoro palsa Kevin Kala ne jasluo poto desia se kalamu wa Dr. na sodit kotomo karula tuborlo lukumniare keda kaisara aluni ngesabala bonibe mamu ngesine peche peta eda yalama ne jasimu alimun na are mame soma eto jok konyiko nenebe otachapugani kesi siriginelwe po.
Parents and guardians, I'm not going to say that you clap for them. No, don't. I'm not happy with them. Last week I was on radio, Bwana Chairman, but all the calls I got were concerning education, Bwana DEO, and our people are not happy. You cannot say that a private teacher, where they receive 150 as a salary, 150. So for us as government, where we are paying 600, 700, the others money 2 million, we are not performing.
Ebongori ainerino ya inyamo semeroi dikusoka bala bonibe mamo ainyamo semero era tionis na reja si someroi lo nyama tedoe konye teni mami dopeda obu otubu a Dr. na sodit.
Because if Kanu is performing well, then I would be the first champion in Mr. Chairman LC fight to make sure that all the children, but even in Kanu where they eat rice, it is zero. So kindly, you are the head of the department, but we are going to host you.
Patrick Duchul order rapolo necholong LOC5 for district alo palsa ngeshabala bonibe akote ngarnonelo oringetelo ka shoman anyu nebe epote kesi ai buapa kene kada nyiti somero iluo poto somaterono.
We still take the challenge because nobody is coming to do this for us. It is us who must do what it takes. The first challenge I want to give to the office of DEO and inspection. Take charge of those schools which have performed the percentage below 50%. What are their issues? Can we interest ourselves to understand what could be going on wrongly in those specific schools, such that we can interest ourselves to ensure the issues which are affecting those particular schools are worked upon.
Loda erai ekayo eton erungetelo ka shoman yo palsa Ronald Omutuju ijakne enerike ngeshabala bonibe akoto kotoma na sobananu haitunitenui aitenelo ka isomero loka SMC na arai aruchokena keskede somero ngesidupore somero isomayo jok.
I appreciate the management committees who run the school. They may not be represented here, but these committees are put in place to run the schools. If it's not running well, we wouldn't be celebrating this. And also the community providing a good atmosphere where these children come from. When I look at all these children who are here today celebrating, they are smart, they look well fed, so they look generally well looked after. And it's not surprising that they did well. So the community where they come from, really I want to appreciate you. So I want to end by saying that this process of rewarding should not stop here. It can be as small as a thank you, and we should continue the process and extend it. And especially also our teachers who have taught, not only the P7 teachers, but learning comes from down there.
Ichie kotoma odue ludo poto sukunusikeda TV is nipepekeda top radio kesi yo poto todia saya alama kechi nipepekeda kechi oriak Kanu MP nebue kitangor Kevin Kala ayangara kini kesi kwa waila agwela kini kesi aperito nipepekeda belangin
ayala mone anadu miliboro na wini abuwa ngadum agrege satomon salamito Kala no anegifto nubune soina kengo
Sandro abuwa ngadum mutakanyari kapini jaso pal sagal sadum na kap yaki so umani MP Kala Kevin ojinga
jaili losone ai simar idue Vitos o division 1 o karujena Tubori 2023 yala mikent honorable Kala anu ai simar idue kedi itichai ni somatos ejo dumon tisoke ti idue to monakan o division 1 rise up to the best in the district nara isapat Badi Simon isadumund aggregate akanyare otomapi ine karajina Tubori
bora mina yao no performance ino nyeri ko palisane so dan wo private schools mami che ichamanara konye utalo raibo chini aswa mata ne pepe adukutu atukoto ne buni aena kini ainyito no isemero misoma ete joko achamo ni aimor kini ke disemero nu eja ase papuda tetere kesidi ke unosi
Kanu esisakalu abeta dumuni borolu konye odauto saekare kwa no semeroi ano a chopa shoman abale moruboni be akodolo ayanga si aperito kede ibilangin kibori dualu kere ay ngada kena kopa kini kulepeki
lola na ijasoti wo mitebe tidwe adulsa kwatare chebore naro karuje anasidiwa kwataka isara no kanyango na puto kiboto so imunebe eminasiti adepare mun so idwe akisa kanyauni anu kanyibuni elo mutoso karuno arauna ituruno so auta kwanonga nyakara kapeche store anwe karwa angun so ilepi shana kina kai soma tago gonganyo be karungun edumnete idwe no fasugure ni poak
Lawrence Okwakol Kopalisa